So we're in Romania, the name of the place will be in the description. Sibiu sounds correct. What we'll say, you can do your own pronunciation because it'll be in the description. So here, I don't know what it is. It's a road. Where it goes, I don't know. So anyway, we're going to have a look at the market. So this is the main square, and this is the market. It's got some market stalls, you can see. Fridge magnets, that sort of thing. Wind chimes. Like souvenir gear, like fridges, magnets, cheap jewellery. Just a bit arty type things, you know. Some key rings there. Some more jewellery. Costume jewellery, it doesn't sound good. Cheap jewellery. Some more jewellery. It's very loads of cheap jewellery. So let's have a look at the restaurants there. There's a couple of restaurants, quite a few. And the clock tower. Go back to the market. Think about I'd like to buy a needle and cotton, but I've never seen a needle and cotton. And I've asked in a few shops. There's some postcards there. Remember them? People used to go on holiday and send a postcard. They don't do that no more. What is this here? Is it ice cream? No, it's not ice cream. Anyway, 25 lei. 5, 10, 15, 20. It's not a lot of money, 25 lei anyway. I think it's about... And they're going to have a concert. So apparently in the square they have quite a few concerts, and classics sometimes and rock another time. And so there's those buildings still looking at us with the eyes. You can smell the food. There's a sign there, probably the best beer in the world. I always thought that was Heineken. So there's a hostel, City Stay Hostel. And so those eyes are still looking at us. So definitely the place is worth a visit. I mean, coming here for a visit, you know, stay here a couple of days. It's nice and relaxing. Unlike Bucharest, there's constant traffic and noise. But like cities, is well worth a visit, Bucharest. Really seems to like the bells. Here's the bells again. This is a bit of a photograph exhibition. So they're the market stalls. And there seems to be like clock towers. There's one there, and there's one further down, and churches. Skies, well, I don't really think of that sky, but I always think skies are amazing, you know. I mean, something an artist probably couldn't create the sky. So there it is, the square. So I'll keep walking, so let's do a 5-minute video. So we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and remember to put a like. Thank you. All the best from Romania.